Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace Tesla Model 3 windshield wipers. First, ensure your vehicle is parked securely on a level surface. Next, access your Tesla's touchscreen and navigate to Service to engage Wiper Service mode. This positions the wipers for easy access. Finally, have your new wiper blades ready, along with a soft towel to protect your windshield during the process. This preparation ensures a smooth and scratch-free replacement. Now, let's remove the old wiper blades. Carefully lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into an upright position. Be gentle to avoid scratching the glass. Locate the small tab on the wiper blade connector, usually on the underside. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old blade down and off the wiper arm hook. Repeat this process for the other side, always supporting the arm. With the old blades removed, it's time to install the new ones. Take a new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade upwards onto the hook until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely fastened. Once both new blades are attached, carefully lower each wiper arm back onto the windshield. Ensure they rest flat and are properly seated before proceeding. To complete the process, return to your Tesla's touchscreen and exit Wiper Service mode. This will allow the wipers to return to their normal resting position. Next, test your new wipers by activating them with a spray of washer fluid. Check for smooth, streak-free operation across the entire windshield. If you notice any issues, double-check the installation. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.